How to recover your deleted account on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me BPN Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted Telegram account. Now first things first, what I want to remind you is if you forgot your password or accidentally deleted the app, you can easily recover your Telegram account by reinstalling the app, verifying your phone number and following the on-screen instructions to create a new password. However, if you deleted your account, if you went to the website, as you know you can't delete the account from the Telegram app. If you went to the telegram.org and you deleted your account, then you won't be able to get back your account. Now suppose you were on the account and you have certain chats and you have certain groups that you're on. Now if you deleted your account, now if you can easily get back to your account by using your phone number, but a new account will be set up and your previous audio details will be deleted. You won't get it back. There is no any absolute way to recover it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.